Prepositions of time in English. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn how to say when something happened, happens, or will happen in English. We are going to learn three prepositions of time: at, on, and in. In this video, I will explain, with lots of examples, how to use at, on, and in. Let's start with the preposition at. We use at to talk about a time of day, a specific time or hour of the day. For example, at 6 o'clock. He wakes up at 6 o'clock. At 11:45. We came home at 11:45. At midnight. The accident happened at midnight. At lunchtime. We can meet at lunchtime. At sunset. The concert starts at sunset. At 9:30 a.m. I'll have a meeting at 9:30 tomorrow. At midday. She might come at midday. We can also use at when we talk about a holiday period. For example, at Easter. We always eat ham at Easter. At Thanksgiving. Come and see me at Thanksgiving. At Christmas. I visit my family at Christmas. However, we say on Easter Day, on Thanksgiving Day, and on Christmas Day. So be careful. At Easter, on Easter Day. At Thanksgiving, on Thanksgiving Day. At Christmas, on Christmas Day. We can also use at for expressions like at night. It started raining at night. At the moment. He's working at the moment. At present. Mr. Carnegie is busy at present. At the weekend. What is she doing at the weekend? At the end of. Turn right at the end of the street. At the same time. Tom and I came at the same time. Note that in British English we say at the weekend. However, in American English it's perfect to say on the weekend. Alright, let's move on to the preposition on. We use on for days and dates. So here are the examples. On Saturday. The guests arrived on Saturday. On Fridays. We go to the market on Fridays. On the 1st of March. I was born on the 1st of March. On the 12th of July 2020. The meeting was on the 12th of July 2020. On Christmas Day. We get together on Christmas Day. On my birthday. I want to relax on my birthday. On Monday. You should go on Monday. When we talk about in as a preposition of time, we use in for longer periods. For example, seasons, months, or, for example, years. Here are the examples. In September. I'm going on holiday in September. In 1977. I was born in 1977. In spring. The garden is lovely in spring. In the Middle Ages. It happened in the Middle Ages. In the past. People worked more in the past. In the future. We will travel a lot in the future. In the 18th century. The king lived in the 18th century. Be careful. We usually say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. However, we say on Monday morning, on Friday afternoon, and on Saturday evening. Here are some examples. In the morning. I will come back in the morning. in the afternoon. She visited him in the afternoon. In the evening. Sam wants to see you in the evening. On Monday morning. I'll come back on Monday morning. On Friday afternoon. She visited him on Friday afternoon. On Saturday evening. Sam wants to see you on Saturday evening. So we say in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening, but we say at night. At night. I will come back at night. There are some cases when we simply don't use prepositions. We do not use at, on, or in with these words. This, last, next, and every. So we say this morning and this week. Are you going out this evening? Last June, last week. I saw her last April. Next Monday, next week. I'm going on holiday next Monday. Every day, every week. Tom does exercises every morning. So again, we use on Monday, but we never say on next Monday. The correct version is on Monday, next Monday. In June, last June. On Friday, every Friday. In September, every September. So be careful. The correct version is on Monday and next Monday. We do not use a preposition before next. In June and last June. On Friday, every Friday. In September, every September. So one more time, do not use a preposition of time before this, last, next, and every. All right, let's talk about the preposition in when we talk about the future. In 5 minutes, meaning 5 minutes in the future. So when I say in 5 minutes, I mean 5 minutes from now. In a few days, it means in a few days from now. In 6 weeks, it means 6 weeks from now. In 2 years, it means 2 years from now. And in a moment, I talk about a moment from now. So when I say in 5 minutes, I'm talking about the future. Let's say some example sentences. In 5 minutes. Hurry, the train leaves in 5 minutes. In a few days. Goodbye, I will see you in a few days. In 6 weeks. Jack has gone away. He'll be back in 6 weeks. In 2 years. My daughter will finish university in 2 years. In a moment. I will be with you in a moment. As an alternative, you can say in 6 months or in 6 months' time. All right, let's see some exercises. Your job is to find the correct preposition on, at, or in. Sometimes you don't use a preposition. On the 20th of August. Last night. In the evening. At night. At 2:30. On Wednesday. In September. At Christmas. On Christmas Day. In 2018. At 11:45. On Saturday night. At the end of the week. In winter. At midnight. At midday. On Monday. At the same time. At New Year's Eve. On my birthday. This Friday. Every Friday. Next Monday. Every day. In 6 days. In summer. In a few minutes. On Saturday. In December. On Easter Day. At Easter. In 2021. At 12 o'clock. Okay, the last part of the video, you will see sentences. Your job is to find the correct preposition that fits in the sentence. What are you doing on Saturday? I often go away at the weekend. Or, I often go away on the weekend. It is difficult to listen if everyone speaks at the same time. James is a good runner. He can run 100 meters in 11 seconds. What are you doing next Saturday? Where were you on the 15th of March? Jazz became popular in the United States in the 1920s. I work hard and I like to relax on Saturdays. Hurry up, we have to go in 5 minutes. The course starts on the 7th of April and finishes sometime in June. I don't like traveling at night. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you learned something and your prepositions of time will be a little bit better. If you think I have earned it, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So, altogether, have a lovely day. Goodbye.